Hello, my name is Alex Young, a business systems consultant here at ProVal Tech. Today I'll be going over how to configure service surveys within ConnectWise PSA to ensure you're getting adequate feedback from your customers regarding your service. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner so you never miss out on another video. Let's get to it. Service surveys within ConnectWise PSA is a two-step process, with step one being configuring the survey. What questions are you going to ask? Are they drop downs? Are they 1 through 10s? And then the second part of that process would be to add that survey to your closed status notification. So anytime a ticket is closed, the customers receive a link to that survey. So to configure that first part of that setup, you're going to go to System, Setup Tables, and search for the word survey and open up the surveys-service section. I'm going to go ahead and click into one I've already pre-configured, but to create a new one, you select that plus icon at the top of the screen. Once you're in the survey, you got a few options here. Do you want whatever you want the survey to be named? Do you want the logo in the header? Typically, I'd recommend always including that. The next checkbox is allow clients to indicate that they would like to be contacted about their survey responses. Essentially, this is going to give a checkbox on the survey when a customer is filling it out, noting that, hey, I want to speak with the manager. I want to talk about this further. The next setting is notify who. You can leave this blank if you don't want anyone notified, but once a survey is filled out, an email is going to be sent to whoever you select here. Then you have some stylistic options where you can add in a header and a footer and a thank you after they click submit. But the most important and crucial part is going to be down here in the question section. So right now I already have 5 questions configured, and these are going to be question types of selections. So if you see, if I expand one out, you got a couple different answers that I've already pre-configured, from very satisfied to dissatisfied. But if you don't want to go with a selection option, you can always select open-ended. Once you've configured all your questions, I would just make sure to select these include checkboxes down here and require if you want to require your customers to fill that out before they can complete that survey. Once everything has been configured here on the survey, you'll go ahead and click Save at the top. Now that your survey is configured, all that we need to do is add this to your closed status notification. If you're not sure what status notifications are, essentially they are notifications or emails that will fire off whenever a ticket hits a particular status. So these are configured on the service board setup table. So same way we got to that previous setup table, system, setup tables, and we'll go ahead and click it here. And then we're going to search for service to open up our service board. Once you're here, click into any board you want to configure these surveys for, and then click the statuses tab. This is where our status notifications are configured. In 99% of cases, you're going to want to configure your status notification for surveys to send on the status that you put all your closed tickets in. For us right here, it's going to be the status called closed. So we'll go ahead and click into this. On the status notification setup, down here under the email template setup section, under add email notifications, we see that this email is going to go to the contact on the ticket. So anytime a ticket is placed into this status, an email is going to be sent to the contact. Now that we have that configured and there's a recipient for the status notification, we'll scroll down to our email template section, and now we'll configure our from address, first name, last name, subject line, along with the body of the email. So right now I got a pretty standard one. It says ticket, SR number has been closed. Then it's got a quick message that just says hello, contact first name. This is an automatic notification noting your ticket has been closed. If this was closed in error, you're still experiencing issues, please reply to this email to have your ticket reopened with our team. And then we have a little section down here that says please let us know how we did. And now we need to do that second part of this survey setup, which is add the survey into this email. Adding the survey into this email is super easy, and it's essentially 2 steps. The first step is we're going to add the survey link token to the email. So in this token section, You can just scroll down and we're looking for survey link. And if you double click it, it's going to populate wherever your mouse was within that body of the email. So now at the bottom of each status notification, there'll be a little words that said, please let us know how you did, with a link to the survey for the customer to fill out. The last portion that we need to set up is go down here to this customer survey drop down, click the drop down, and select that survey that we configured in our first step. Once that's configured, we'll go ahead and click save, and now our surveys have been fully configured. So anytime a ticket is placed into the closed status on the help desk board, the customer is going to receive an email noting to fill out that survey. So just one quick thing I'll show you on the service ticket. If you go to a service ticket, and we'll just pull up any one we got here, we'll just go into this survey test that I was doing last week. And I haven't filled out this survey, but if you notice, there's a surveys tab on each service ticket, and once a survey is filled out, it will populate here in addition to notifying whoever is selected on that survey setup. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week on various products to share our knowledge. Let us know what else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.